Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can check and monitor the RAM usage or memory usage in the Comet AI web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. So guys, let's assume, for instance, you've been experiencing performance issues because the Comet AI browser may be using too much RAM or memory. This is how you can check the memory usage of specific websites and also of the Comet AI browser in general. So option number one, hover your mouse over the tab with the open websites. Let me go with this example websites here. So hover your mouse over it and you will see the memory usage listed below in that preview of that tab, which is for this website here, a memory usage of 41.6 MB. That's option number one, guys. What you may do also is open your device's task manager, for example, Windows 10 or Windows 11, and simply check here in the processes how much RAM or memory Comet is currently using. As you can see, it is using quite a lot of my memory. So you may consider, for example, closing various tabs, or if you're not using them currently. Speaking about these open tabs, guys, that would be option number three. You may navigate, for example, to your account settings by clicking into that arrow down icon in the top right corner. Click into settings here, and inside your settings, navigate to performance to the left. And here, for instance, enable the performance issue alert, which is usually enabled on default, but if you accidentally turn it off, you may turn it on and back again. And also enable the memory saver. This will allow Comet AI to save memory from inactive tabs when they have become inactive, as you can see, after a longer, optimal, or shorter period of time, depending on your setup here. And last but not least, guys, what you may do also is to monitor the RAM or memory usage of your entire it's Comet AI browser. You may simply right click into that field here at the top next to the most recently opened tab and select the task manager. Now this is going to open not your device's task manager, but only for the given application, which in this case here is the Comet AI web browser. And here simply go through these tabs and extensions through that list and check which of these tabs is using the most memory. As you can see here, like that one here, for example, is using quite a lot, that one. And if you don't use these, or if you're not using these tabs, guys, you may simply right click into them let me find the option, or simply check which one is it and then simply close it here at the top if you can't close it from there, guys. That's at least how we can monitor and view the RAM or memory usage here on Comet AI. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.